like this. We flawless. Ladies. Hey you guys, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you don't follow me already, follow me on social media. I will be putting new videos once a week on Sunday so you guys can watch. And if you have an opinion, let me know. Comment on the link below. Hello to all of my creation who likes to create. So I'm gonna teach you how to dye and bleach this hair and get this copper-like color for 2020. New year, new me. Let's get it. Step you're gonna do, well, I got this wig from Now Beauty's Hair, but you're going to bleach this wig. I had this wig for a while now. You're gonna take some 40 developer and some bleach, and you're gonna mix it into that bowl. You want it to be kind of liquidy, but not too liquidy. Well, yeah, you want it liquidy, yeah, because you're gonna bleach it, right? So I've used the brush method, and I also put the whole wig into the bleaching mix. I found out in another YouTube video I had watched. I'm gonna put that in the link below because it was just so awesome and it was faster this way. So you're gonna let the wig sit in the mixture for like an hour and 20 minutes or 30 minutes to an hour. You don't want it to be too bright. You want it to be a little dark but not too bright. So you're gonna use Adobe, and I did the water method, which is boiling hot water mixed with the color, and then you stir it to get the water looking like the same color. I had to do this method once and I left it in for about an hour and a half, but I realized the hair didn't take, so I had to do the second method, which was putting the color into the mixing bowl and using the brush again, and I left it in for another hour or two for the color to take. So I did color the hair twice. Once you finish coloring the hair, you should just get straight to shampooing and conditioning the hair so you can remove all the stuff that's on the hair already. Now that I washed and shampooed the hair to get the color out, I'm going to blow dry it. I'm using this to blow dry the hair faster. This is what the hair looks like after 2 takes of dyeing it. I did it twice, you guys, to get this color. Now it's time to blow dry the hair. I'm using some heat protector, and I'm going to use my flat iron to flat iron this hair. Then after I flat iron this hair, I'm going to make a side part. I had this wig for a while, so I feel like the middle part, I'm so over it. So I'm going to do a side part. Basically using a tooth wide thick comb, and I'm just trying to put the side in a way that is perfect. Then if you want, I did take some scissors to cut some of the baby hair so it could come out nice and, like, you know, sleek. So I didn't want it to look too wiggy. Now, sometimes it's better to use the Nairobi setting mousse. I like to use this to style the side part that I'm gonna use because I feel like it puts it into play. Because sometimes, like, when you do the side part, it will come off like a big hump. So the setting spray, I like using it to flatten it, and then I'm gonna take some wrap and tie it around the head, and then I sometimes will press the flat iron on top of it. Well, you guys, this is the finishing look. So I'm gonna try on this wig for you guys just to see how it really looks, but I really just admire this color, this copper, kind of orangey. In the light you can see more of the orange. It's kind of like you kind of don't know this color. I love it.
So once you live together for a certain time. Girls want the ring, they want the wedding, they want to feel like a princess, they want